Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to recover your online banking account of Bank of Islam. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to recover your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also follow the step correctly. So first of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in the link that is www.bankislam.biz. Over here in the right hand side corner, you can see internet banking login. You'll have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, on the other page, you will be directed into login page. So then on the same page in the left hand side corner, you can see a login interface. You're not able to log in because of your incorrect login information. So then tap on forgot login detail, which is in the bottom left corner. Over here, you'll have to enter your bank detail in order to recover your account. So first of all, they've asked for your debit card number, so make sure to enter the correct one. And after that, they've asked for your PIN. Once you're done entering your information, make sure to review it once again. Only then tap on continue in the bottom right corner. As you tap on continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to reset or recreate a new login information. And once you're done recreating your new login information, next what you have to do is you'll have to go back and then log in with the newly created login information. So that is how you can recover your online banking account of Bank of Islam. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.